student, today we are going to learn making problems based on the given information and solving them. This is part of chapter number 9, word problem, addition and subtraction. Now see first example. Make an addition problem based on the given information and solve it. Now see the given information. Number of men 1450. Number of women 1270. Here we have given a information, and from this information we have to make a word problem and then solve it. Now here word problem. There are 1450 men and 1270 women working in a company. How many people work in a company in all? Here we have to do the addition problem. We have to calculate total number of men and women working in a company. Now here we do addition. 1450 men and 1270 women. Now we do addition. 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 7 12, carry 1, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7, and 1 plus 1 2, means in all 2720 people work in the company. Now see the next example. Make a subtraction problem based on the given information and solve it. Given information: cost of one motorcycle rupees 47,580. Cost of another motorcycle rupees 50,240. Now this is information, and from this information we make a word problem. Example: a company motorcycle cost rupees 47,580 and B company motorcycle cost rupees 50,240. Which company's motorcycle is more expensive and by how much? In this example we make a example from this given information and do subtraction problem. A company has the cost of motorcycle is 47,580 and B company has motorcycle cost 50,240. Now subtract this. 0 minus 0 0. Here 4 is a small number and this is 8, therefore we carry from we borrow from this. Then 14 minus 8, let's count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6. Now 1 minus 5, this is also not possible. Here 0, therefore we can take borrow from this 5. Here remain 10, 4, and here 10, we can borrow from this 10, we get 11. Now 11 minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 6. Now 9 minus 7, 2, and 4 minus 4, 0, means B company's motorcycle cost is rupees 2,660 more than A company. Understood? Here in this we have given information in this way and we have to do example and then solve. Now we solve exercise on this. Based on the given information, make one addition and one subtraction problem each and solve the problems. In this exercise we have to given 8 problems. We do one subtraction problem and then one addition problem each. Now first example: cost of one company's washing machine is rupees 19,990. Cost of another company's washing machine 21,550 rupees. Now we do the example from this given information. A company's washing machine cost rupees 19,990 and B company's washing machine cost 21,550. Which company have more cost than other? Means here we do subtraction. 21,550 B's company cost and 19,919 A's company's cost. Now 0 minus 9 9. We can borrow from this. Here we 4 and here 10. 10 minus 9, 1. This is 4. We can borrow from here. Now 14 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5. Now next 4 minus 5, again we can borrow from here. We get 14. Now 14 minus 9, again 5. Here 0, we can borrow from this. We get 10. 10 minus 9, 1. And 1 minus 1, 0. Means B company's washing machine cost 1551 more than the A company's washing machine cost. Understood? Now see the next example. Rupees 3900 worth of fodder and rupees 2570 worth of other annual feed. Now example. From this information we can do example. The cost of fodder rupees is 3900 and the cost of another animal feed rupees 2570. What is total cost? Here we have to calculate total cost, means we do here addition. First, cost of fodder 3900 and cost of another animal feed 2570. Now we add them. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 7, 7. 9 plus 5, 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 4 plus 2, 6. Means total cost is 6470. Now see the next example. Third example. The population of one town is 76,560. The population of another town is 57,940. From this information we do the example. If the population of one town is 76,560 and the population of another town is 57,940, by how much population of one town greater than other? Means here we have to do the subtraction. Now 76,560, this is population of one town, and 57,940, this is population of another town. Now start from unit place. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. 5 minus 9, this is not possible. We can borrow from this. Here 5, we get here 15. Now 15 minus 9, 6. Now 5 is small and 7 is big. Therefore we can borrow from this. Here 6 and we get here 15. Now 15 minus 7, how many remainings? Let's count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 8. 6 minus 5, 1. Means by 18,620, population of one town is greater than other. Understood? Now see the fourth example. The flight ticket from Mumbai to Tokyo rupees 35,840. The flight ticket from Tokyo to Los Angeles rupees 38,760. This is given information. Now from this information we have to solve, or we have to write first example then solve. The flight ticket from Mumbai to Tokyo is rupees 35,840 and from Tokyo to Los Angeles rupees 38,760. How much money required for 2 tickets? Means here we have to do the cost of, do the addition, or we have to add the money of this 2 ticket. First 35,840 Mumbai to Tokyo and 38,760 rupees for Tokyo to Los Angeles. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 6, 10. Carry 1. 8 plus 8, 16. Again 1. Now carry 1. 7. Means the 74,600 rupees required for 2 tickets. Now see the next example. Cost of new motorcycle is rupees 46,530. Cost of an old motorcycle is rupees 8,500. Now this is given information, and from this information we have to do first problem. Now see the problem or example. If the cost of new motorcycle is rupees 46,530 and cost of an old motorcycle is rupees rupees 8,500. Which motorcycle cost is more than other? Now we do the subtraction. This is 46,530 cost of new motorcycle and 8,500 cost of old motorcycle. We can do subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 3. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 8, we can borrow from this. 16 minus 8, 8. And 3. Means cost of new motorcycle is more than old motorcycle by 38,030 rupees. Now see the next example. 17,500 maths book, 13,250 science book. This is the given information, and from this information we make first problem. In a library there are 17,500 math books and 13,250 science books. How many books are there in a library altogether? Means we have to calculate the total number of books in library. Therefore we do addition. This is 17,500 math books and 13,250 science book. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. And 3. Means there are 30,750 books in a library altogether. Now see the next example. The bus from Kolhapur to Mumbai passes through Pune. This distance from Pune to Mumbai is 190 km. The distance from Pune to Kolhapur is 235 km. This is a given information. And now we write down example from this given information. If the distance from Pune to Mumbai is 190 km and distance from Pune to Kolhapur is 235 km, which distance is more? Now 235 km Pune to Mumbai, this is distance of Pune to Mumbai, and 190 km Pune to first is 235 km Pune to Kolhapur and 192 Pune to Mumbai. Now 5 minus 2, 3. Here we can take borrow 1. 13 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4, and 1 minus 1, 0. 43 km. The distance from Pune to Kolhapur is more by 43 km than Pune to Mumbai. Understood? Now see, we can also do the addition problem of this. Understood? We can make addition, subtraction, any problem. I can do one addition problem, one subtraction problem, one addition and one subtraction. Understood? Now see the next example. The capacity of one water tank is 38,500 liter. The capacity of another water tank is 22,750 liter. Now this is information given. And now we write down example. If the capacity of one water tank is 38,500 liter and the capacity of another water tank is 22,750 liter, how much water capacity of both tank? Means we have to calculate the water capacity of both the tanks. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. Now 11. 6. Means capacity of both the tanks is 61,250 liters. Understood? Here I do addition problem. We can make this also subtraction problem. Understood? By writing in another way. Okay. Thank you for watching the video.